In this video, we are going to look for products to sell using just Etsy and looking at bestsellers. It is called bestseller search. So you can choose any keyword you want. You can go generic like gifts, right? And EverBee is so great at showing us the search volume. So we just can go gifts for her and go randomly product from product. But we can go for certain products like cushions, pillows, right? So there is a demand. Not if we just want to look at dropshippers, at Chinese sellers, shops that sell directly from China, so we can do this, right? So we go to filters. So Etsy is showing you everything right now, right? So this is a very big keyword, right? So there is a demand, and everything that is on the first page actually sells. Otherwise, why it would be here? And Etsy is showing bestsellers. So bestseller, it is the item which is sold the biggest number in this particular shop, right? So Etsy marks this product of this shop as a bestseller. And we can, through this product, we can go to the shop, have a look what is this shop selling, etc. But we are looking for drop shipping products. So we are not going to produce any item, do embroidery or anything, right? So we can use simple Etsy filters and try Chinese shops, right? So we are not looking for any others but shops from China. And we're looking at physical products, right? With free shipping, because Chinese, they usually offer free shipping for drop shipping. But sometimes it narrows the search because they do charge for certain countries. And we can pick this star seller. So star seller, it is the shop which is operating very fast, quickly, and they have very good reputation. But we will trigger the star seller to get bestsellers. So you see, we have items from China, free shipping, star seller, physical items. And already we have so many listings. You see bestseller, popular. So we have some other, so maybe it's in jewelry as well, some items like that. But what I do is we need a URL. So we go to this page URL where we filtered star sellers, and where we find star seller, we can change star for best, and automatically Etsy will filter for us bestsellers from China with free shipping, physical items, selling cushions, right? So we have particular niche for this product. And let's have a look at them. So it means that every product I'm looking at now is the best seller in this particular shop. And it means that if I'm going to sell it, it will sell. So let's start from just one of the first sellers here, and look, so we have really cool products. So they have 186 sales per month with good conversion rate, review rate, and yeah, so there are different sizes. We can analyze listing in details with EverBee, right? So monthly revenue is almost $6,000, right? Cool. Let's see if this product we can drop ship, right? So we press, so you need to install search goods on AliExpress by image extension. Link will be under this video, and you immediately can go to AliExpress and search for this product, right? And here AliExpress will give you different items. Yeah, you can also get here some more ideas even, but here we are. So this is a dog pillow. It's not a dog pillow, so it's a pet pillow. So, and basically you can send them a picture of your dog or a cat, mouse, hedgehog, anyone you have, and they make a pillow and they send. So it's only $9.70 free shipping, right? So the cost for 20 centimeters height pillow cushion is like that. So we can easily resell it on Etsy like as a custom product. Yeah, and because we see great results from this store, so we can replicate what they do and just start selling, right? So here we have so many reviews from customers, especially for this item. Everybody is so happy with that. They post pictures. So this is a really fun product, and we found it just with a few clicks, just filtering Etsy, right? So this is the same but for faces and pillows for human. We can get many ideas because Etsy will pick for you them as well. So this is, you see, also very Etsy style product. So it's like, it looks like handmade, and it's a steering wheel crochet cover, and you can have a look at the prices, wheel and the belt cover. So we as well can look at this product on AliExpress, and we can see that, yeah, you can source it on AliExpress. So we can have many designs, right? So we can maybe ask even for custom design if we want, but there are plenty of sellers selling these product. And so how much can it cost? So it's $9.49 plus $4 shipping to US, right? So we can calculate if it's profitable, and so that was the price for this one. So I have it in euros, so it's 30. So you source it for 14, yeah, something around $14, but just a steering cover you can sell for almost $30, and some sets that you can organize within your store. So this is also a really cool product, easy, and it is looking like handmade, right? Because everything crochet, so you probably were doing it yourself, right? So this is just Etsy store bestseller search, right? So you can do it in any niche, right? So I just picked this product. You can go very generic, right? So gifts for home, gifts for him, for her, and go through all the, again, all bestsellers from China, physical items, free shipping, star selling, doing everything the same in any niche, right? And analyze the products that Etsy will show you, right? So in these filters, it's not maybe even if the product, even if the store is not in China, so you can as well get a lot of ideas just with free shipping and changing star seller to bestseller, right? So if even they are not based in China, the shops itself, so we can get ideas with products that have free shipping, because drop shipping is usually have free shipping, and get maybe idea and check it. You see, so this is again crocheted item. It's a bestseller in this shop. It's making money. And look, so how many designs we have on AliExpress. So just pick the same similar product and start selling it on Etsy. Look, these are adorable. Yeah, these are really adorable things, and people love it. People buy it, and they would not suspect that you don't do it yourself and just buy it from China. So this is very simple way to find products, just going through bestsellers of every shop.